Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is February 10th, 2020. And I did a bit of a marathon run here today. I did 3 motor tune-ups, complete tune-ups. And this is the last one I did. This one here is a 1956 Johnson 5.5. I purchased this motor from a club member a few months ago, this past fall. And I really bought it just for the power head. Ended up not needing a power head for the other project. I found a different power head for it. So anyway, I went through it here today and gave it a big tune-up. When I got it, it was essentially missing the gear case. The only thing that it had was the upper gear case housing. There was no drive shaft, no shock absorber, no water pump parts, no prop, no nothing. So I had to find all those parts and pieces and gave it an ignition rebuild. So coils, points, condensers, wires, plugs. Put a carb kit in it. Replaced the lower crankshaft seals. Power head base gasket. The gear case that I put on it, I had resealed that, I don't know, probably a year ago or so. And unfortunately it's a blue Evinrude gear case, but it's what I had. Carb kit, fuel hoses, you know, all the usuals to make it run properly. And it seems to be running pretty happy. Take my word for it to pump the water properly. So I have to go forward here. Of course, it's running on 16 to 1. And reverse. And back and forward. It was actually missing all the little crankshaft stuff, seal stuff. So it was missing the spring cup, the carbon washer, carbon seal, and then the stainless steel washer on top of that for the flush plug. But anyway, seems to be running pretty happy. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.